Alright, Johnny, let's go. Let's go.
I want this.
You cannot have that.
I want the sword.
No.
Hey.
Ow.
I want.
Hey, you knocked that off.
I want this.
Honey, that's a toilet seat.
I want it.
Besides, you have a Kinder Surprise egg waiting at home.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so today we have a Kinder Surprise egg. Open up, Pachito, baby boy.
I'm so excited.
Open that boy up.
Paint rollers.
You told me you wanted that.
I'm so excited.
Now that was rude.
Whoppers, the best candy ever.
I knew you liked those.
Whoppers. All right. I'm so excited. About.
Let's show the camera. Let's show the camera.
Want it.
I thought you liked Tangled.
Hate Tangled.
I thought that was your favorite movie.
An emoji cup. Yeah. Yay. An Angry Bird. Oh. Yay. A Dude Perfect ping pong cup set. Here we go.
Alright.
Dude Perfect.
Oh! Oh!
20 questions. All right. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Take. Yay. So excited.
You like the tape.
A screwdriver. Yeah, yay. A D battery for the Dude Perfect ping pong. Yay. For sales? What's for sale?
We'll talk about that later.
That's it? That's all I want more!
That's not it. That's not it.
Okay.
Look deeper.
Condoms!
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
I needed some. Yay! Alright.
Open it up and see what's inside.
So excited! Yeah! Yay!
Anything else inside? Nothing else inside.
That's it?
That's it.
I want more.
I got you an entire Kinder set. You knocked that off. You knocked that off, right? I got you.
I want more!
Y'all, that hurt. That'll teach you. That'll teach you.